Hello everybody, my name's Tina and today I will be unboxing or unbagging now my Ipsy Plus for August. So this bag is bigger than the regular Ipsy bag, so I wish I had one. So like the regular Ipsy bag's probably about this big, so it's a little bit bigger. Now you can choose 3 items in your Ipsy Plus bag, but I just want to give you a heads up if you haven't done it yet. They don't give you like choices. Like I wish they, like everything you could get that month, I wish they just let you pick 3 out of that. Sorry if you hear my cat. But they don't. They'll like give you like 4 items and then say, here, you gotta pick 1 of the 4 items. And then I think the second item you gotta choose out of 3 items and then 4 again. So what happens if like the 3 items or the 4 items, you don't want any of them? You gotta choose something you don't want. So that's why I don't like that. I just wish they'd give us like all 20 items or whatever it is, and then we could just pick 3 out of the 20 items. That'd be easier for me, at least. But anyway, so that's it. It's cool, but it kind of sucks. Okay, so I do have something that's out of the bag, but I'll show the bag first. So here's the bag. And I have a feeling, okay, there's some string. I have a feeling that this is going to be the bag from now on. Like, they're not going to have different bags. And I think they're going to do this for the regular and the ultimate as well, so they don't have to design bags and all that stuff, which kind of sucks because I like the different bags. And the bags are kind of how I decide which things I'm going to get. If I'm going to get the regular one, the plus, or, you know, so that kind of sucks to me. But let me show you the item that's out. Okay, so the item that's out, oh, okay, I think I know what this is. And I chose this item, if it's what I think it is. I hate this paper thing. Okay, yeah. I chose this item, which was the brush, which was the brush set. It was between this. They let me choose 4 items. I can't remember the 4 items, but I was either going to choose this or I was going to choose the palette. But I decided to go with the brushes because the palette, I don't know, it just seemed like it wasn't the colors I usually go for. This is really soft. So I chose the brush set because I don't have a lot of brushes, because I don't buy brushes. I only have brushes that I've gotten from Ipsy or Boxy Charm or anything like that. So these are really nice though. Really, really nice. And these are like, can't think of the material, but these are like heavy brushes. They're not like flimsy, kind of like the Luxie brushes. This one, I don't know if you can see this. I don't know if it's meant to look like this. How it's kind of angled in and then goes out. I don't know. I'll have to look into that. Or if I just got one that wasn't cut right. So we have a contour blending brush. We have a kabuki brush. We have a flat angle brush. Okay, yeah, flat angle brush. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, and a tapered face brush. And this is by the Roos. I don't know if that's what it's called, but that's the name. Okay, and let's see the little thing. And it doesn't give prices or anything like that anymore. And the theme is "The future is yours," and that's all it tells you. So I'm glad I got these. That's the first item. Let's see the next item. Okay, so the next item, okay, is by Beauty For Real. And this they actually chose for me. This I wasn't too happy about because I don't really go for the crayon items. But let's see. I think these are highlighter sticks, I think it was. Oh, shadow stick. 24/7 eyeshadow. Oh, okay. So, let's see how... Ooh, it's pretty though. Okay, this eyeshadow. Why did I think it was highlighter? I don't know. I could have sworn it said highlighter. But I like both of them actually. They're very pretty. And again, sorry for my cat in the background. Okay, so the next item is by Huda Beauty. And this was chosen for me. And I got it in the color Lady Boss. I do have a couple of these. Now this, I was happy about. Because I do have a couple of these, but I do not have this color. So, I'm happy about that. Because I do like these lipsticks. Ooh, and it's a pretty color. I really like that color. Ooh. I'm definitely going to use this. So, I'm happy about that one. So, the next item I chose this, which is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Powder. I can't remember if I've ever gotten... a setting powder from them. I believe I have, but not the watermelon one. I like the packaging. It's cute. Okay. And it does come with the mirror. Okay. You're not going to be able to see it, but... Okay, so I'll definitely use that. And then the last item I got, which is what I chose. Okay, so this one, I kind of wanted and I kind of didn't. I had, no choice in the matter, basically. Okay, so this is from Laura Geller, Long Wear Eyeliner. Glided bronze. Is that what it's called? I know it's supposed to be a brown, but I guess that's what it's called. I like that they have a tape here, so they know, so you know that it's not used, but then it's going to be hard to get off. So I'm just going to do that. Okay. Ugh. Okay. So let's see. Let's put it on here. Oh yeah, and it comes on smooth and everything. Oh, I like that. And then I like that it's not black, because to my eye color, I actually need something that's brown. For the eyeliner, I'm supposed to have a brown eyeliner, and I think green eyeshadow. I can't remember the eyeshadow though. So that's everything I got. So actually I'm pretty happy with this box, or this bag, actually. Which is surprisingly, because at first I didn't want the eyeshadows, but they are really pretty. But I will try these out because these are beautiful. So, let me know what you got in your Ipsy. I will have a regular Ipsy bag. I'm just waiting. I actually got this bag super early because I got the shipping notification, and usually for some reason it takes about a week and a half to 2 weeks to get to me for some reason. And so I usually get them like on the 21st or later than that. But I don't know. And so as of today, my regular Ipsy has not shipped yet. They're still processing it. If you want to see what I got in my regular Ipsy bag, please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.